Hey y'all, I really want to do an update to the video that I did the other day about how to use this glasses template, because in the comments of that video somebody told me a different way to wrap the wire around this thing, and you know what? It's changed my life. It's changed my life. So I want to show you. This is 10 inches. It's a 10-inch piece of wire, and right in the middle, put it right there over the nose bridge, and then take this side and wrap around. Like that. And then take this side and wrap around. Boom. Glasses. I was doing it apparently the hard way, because I was doing half or one side and then pulling it up and turning it around, and because what I want to see is this to be all the same from here to here to here to here. See how it gets wrapped like that? I love that. So easy, so quick. Thank you to whoever wrote that to me. And I hope this helps you. Thank you.